Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my chocolate chip cookies. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven, and I'm going to turn this on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, to my bowl I'm going to add 2.5 cups of white all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. You're going to set that aside. To another bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of melted margarine, and I'm going to mix that together. I like using margarine because I like the way it makes the cookies look. If I was using butter, they would be flatter, so I like them this way. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 egg to that and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix that together again. I like recipes like this because you don't have to cream anything and there's not a whole lot of mixing. Okay, now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to that, and I'm going to stir it until everything is mixed together. Okay, the very last thing I'm going to do is stir in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now I'm going to use my cookie scoop and drop a tablespoon of the dough onto the cookie sheet. And you don't have to grease your cookie sheet, so no need to worry about that. And just make sure you leave some space in between so when the cookies bake, they can spread out. Of course, if you don't have a scoop, you can just use 2 spoons to do that, but it's nice when you have a scoop. It just makes it so much easier. I'm going to put this in my preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven and bake it for 11 minutes. Would you just look at these? Oh my goodness, they look so good. So right when you take them out of the oven, you want to put them on a cooling rack to cool. If you bake cookies a lot, then you're going to notice, but the first batch always look lighter than the second batch. And I kind of like them like that because sometimes I can't decide which one I like. Now I'm just going to repeat the process. Okay, now the second batch is ready, and as you can see, they do look a little bit darker. But like I said, I can't decide which one I like because I like them all. But from this, I think I can't remember, it was 41 or 42 cookies. Oh my goodness, we had cookies for days, and you know it's just the 2 of us. I wanted to freeze some, but then I didn't. but these were so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try because it's a really easy one. They're a little bit chewy and crispy at the same time. Just what I love. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being here. And as always, I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.